this is heat transfer through composite wall apparatus. Okay, in this apparatus our main objective is to calculate the thermal conductivity of the composite wall material. Okay, and we can also calculate the total thermal resistance. Simultaneously, we can also calculate total thermal conductivity of the composite wall. We can also calculate the thermal conductivity of the one material in that composite wall. Okay, now in this apparatus what we can see is this consists of a heater. See, in the center, see, above 3 plates of wall is there, and below also 3 plates of composite materials are there. Different types of materials are there, and in the center there is one heater. Okay, this apparatus, this consists of a heater that is sandwiched between two asbestos sheet. Okay, 3 slabs of different materials are provided on the both side of the heater, which forms the composite structure. One small press frame, you can see one frame is there. One small press frame is provided to ensure the perfect contact between the slabs. If we don't use this press frame, there might be some gap between the slabs and perfect contact might not be there. Okay, now to do the experiment, what you have to do is, again, before doing all the experiments, you have to ensure everything is switched off. That is, all the mains is switched off and all this dimer state and everything is off. Okay, now I have already switched on the mains here. Okay, now what I will do, I will give the electricity supply to the device. Okay, you can see here electricity supply came. Now what I have to do is, I have to gradually set this dimer state to a voltmeter reading of 40 to 100 volt. Okay, so you have to note down this volt and ampere here. Now again we have to wait for 1.5 hours to take the reading of this thermocouple. So let us say thermocouple 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise. Let's say this is thermocouple 2 reading, this is thermocouple 3 reading, likewise. All this thermocouple reading we have to take after getting a steady state condition. Okay, all these thermocouples are attached in the interfaces of heater and each slabs. Okay, that means between two slabs, interface of two slabs, will be having one thermocouple, and between the heater and the slab also we are having thermocouple. Likewise, we have 6 thermocouples. Sorry, 1, 2, yeah. Now all these thermocouple readings we have to take. Okay, so now focus on this observation table here. After reaching the steady state temperature, that means after 1.5 hours, at least 1.5 hours, we'll take the readings. After each and every 10 minutes we'll take the reading of this, all the temperatures of this thermocouple, and we will take the reading till the time where 2 consecutive readings or 2 consecutive observations will be almost give us the same readings. Okay, at that time we will understand that when the readings are same for 2 consecutive observation, we will understand that it is our setup has reached steady state condition. Then we'll go for the calculations part. For the calculation, that means we have to find out what is the Q, that is heat supplied. Again, heat supplied is this time not V into I. Okay, because heat is flowing in both the direction here. See, heat is flowing in top direction also, heat is flowing in the bottom direction also of the heater. So heat supplied will be W by 2, that is work energy by 2. That's work energy will be given by voltage and ammeter reading. Okay, once we got the heat energy, this area we can find out, that is diameter will be given. Okay, we can find out what is Q, that is heat per unit area. Okay, we can find out what is delta T, change in temperature. Okay, Then finally we can find out what is thermal conductivity, effective thermal conductivity. Okay, we can also find out what is the thermal conductivity of one particular slab. Okay, likewise we can find out with the help of this formula, that is Fourier's law formula. I will show it to you this one. With the help of this main formula we can find out what is the thermal conductivity of each slab or in total. Thank you. Then after finding out, you have to ensure everything is off, switch off. Okay.